Hi, I'm Meg. I am a Senior Sales Lead at ezyVet, and today I will be talking to you about what it's like to be a salesperson at ezyVet. So my background is in physiotherapy. Like many vets in the veterinary industry, I was feeling burnt out and I decided I needed a career change. I decided that sales was the career path for me because a lot of the skills that made me a good physiotherapist were transferable into sales. So my career path at ezyVet started as a sales development representative where I was cold calling clinics and booking in demos. I then progressed into a business development executive role where I was managing the complete sales cycle and demoing ezyVet. And recently I have been promoted into a management role. I chose ezyVet because I saw there was potential for personal and professional growth. I also loved the culture, and personally I've been able to make lifelong friends. There's often a perception that the sales and tech industry is male dominated. My advice to any female that is looking to get into this industry is to just apply. If someone had have told me that I was going to be a manager at a tech company 5 years ago, I would have laughed. I didn't have the credentials on paper, but I gave it a go anyway. My advice is just go for it. Women have amazing qualities that make us exceptional salespeople.